Have you ever wondered about the old-fashioned vegetables that our ancestors used to eat? Today, we're diving into the world of forgotten greens, unearthing the top 5 vegetables from yesteryears. These power-packed plants are brimming with nutritional values, waiting to be rediscovered. Join us as we explore the top 5 old-fashioned vegetables that are worth rediscovering. First on our list is the rutabaga. Originating from Scandinavia, this root vegetable is rich in vitamin C and dietary fiber. Commonly used in stews, it's a versatile addition to any kitchen. Rutabagas, a source of essential nutrients that can boost your health. Next up, we have kohlrabi. Originating from Europe, this powerhouse of nutrients is rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Commonly used in salads, stews, and stir-fries, it offers a crisp, sweet flavor. Kohlrabi, a versatile vegetable with a wealth of nutrients. Third on our list is the parsnip. Originating from the Mediterranean, this root vegetable is packed with vitamins and fiber. Commonly roasted or pureed in soups, parsnips add a sweet, nutty flavor. Including them in your diet can boost heart health. Parsnips, a root vegetable that's a powerhouse of nutrients. Coming in fourth are fiddleheads. These curly ferns originate from the wild forests of North America, loaded with iron, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. Commonly sautéed or pickled, they're a springtime treat. Fiddleheads, a seasonal delicacy packed with nutrition. Finally, we have salsify. A root vegetable originating from southern Europe, it's a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. Commonly used in soups and stews, salsify brings a unique oyster-like flavor. Including salsify in your diet can boost your immune system. Salsify, an old-fashioned vegetable that's making a comeback. There you have it, the top 5 old-fashioned vegetables that are worth rediscovering. From the hearty rutabagas, the versatile kohlrabi, the sweet parsnips, the unique fiddleheads to the nutritious salsify, each brings a world of benefits to your diet. They're not just tasty, but also a treasure trove of nutrition. So why not bring a twist to your meals with these forgotten heroes of the vegetable world? Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening videos like this one. Stay healthy and keep exploring.